How to fix Play Store download stuck on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store download stuck on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then scroll down until you find this one here, storage, and then click clean up. And now just wait for junk files here, and all you need to do is just you need to clean cache, and then just wait and then click on it and click delete. And as you see, cache have been deleted. Now just go back, and that must now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.